Hey there, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss a video. Today, I'm diving into something super important. 10 powerful, essential nutrients your body needs every single day. These nutrients are the building blocks of good health, so let's jump right in. First up, we have your muscles, skin, hair, and virtually every part of your body need protein to repair and grow. Think lean meats, beans, and nuts. Next is, this isn't just for strong bones, it also supports your immune system. Get some sunshine or add fatty fish like salmon to your diet. Is another biggie. It's not just for your bones and teeth, but also helps your heart and muscles function properly. Dairy products and leafy greens are your best friends here. Now, let's talk about, these are crucial for brain health and reducing inflammation. You'll find these in fish like mackerel and flax seeds. Don't forget, it keeps your digestive system in check and helps control blood sugar levels. Fruits, veggies, and whole grains are packed with fiber. Is up next. It's vital for transporting oxygen in your blood. Think red meat, lentils, and spinach. A lesser-known but equally important nutrient is, it supports muscle and nerve function, as well as energy production. You can get it from nuts, seeds, and whole grains. Is famous for boosting your immune system, but it also helps in the absorption of iron. Citrus fruits like oranges are your go-to. Another key player is, it helps regulate fluid balance and muscle contractions. Bananas, potatoes, and avocados are excellent sources. Last but definitely not least, we have essential for immune function and wound healing. Load up on meat, shellfish, and legumes. So there you have it. 10 essential nutrients your body needs every day. Incorporate these into your diet, and you'll be well on your way to optimal health. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips. Until next time, stay healthy.